Welcome back to Academia. Today's video is about how to set up school settings in Academia. First, you log into your admin account. Once on the admin dashboard, scroll down to the bottom left side menu. Click on Settings and select School Settings submenu. A new menu will appear and the first is General Settings. Under General Settings, you will fill general information about the school. Scroll to the next section where you will set the currency to be used. The next section, you will set the registration number prefix settings to be used. The next section, you will enable or disable the offline payment settings. The next section, you will enable or disable the online exam settings. Next you will set fees carry forward settings, specify the due days and enable or disable due fees calculation with fine. The next section, you will enable or disable automatically generate login details settings. When enabled for students and guardians, add username prefix and default password for both. Lastly, set up the school logos to be used and save. You will get a pop-up notification on your top right corner on successful save. Now next under School Settings is the Student/Parent panel. Here, under the first submenu you will set up user login settings. You will enable or disable both students' and parents' account portals. Next you will set privacy settings. You will enable or disable visibility for both teachers' emails and numbers and save. Next under School Settings is Live Class Settings. Here, set Zoom credentials. Input your SDK client ID and SDK client secret, then enable or disable each staff API and each student API credentials and set up Zoom off. Or instead set up Big Blue Button config, set salt key and server base URL and save. Next under School Settings is Payment Settings. Here you can select one or more of the 13 online payment gateways available. Then on the right side activate Gateway menu, select all enabled gateways and save. Next under School Settings is SMS Settings. Here under SMS config, you will select an SMS gateway to activate from the provided, or set up a custom SMS gateway and save. The next SMS triggers section will be in a separate video. Next under School Settings is Email Settings. Here under Email config, you will select the email protocol either PHP Mail or SMTP Mail and enter the required credentials. The Email Triggers section will be in separate video with the SMS triggers. To test out your configurations, enter an email and you will get a confirmation email if the email configurations are correct. And also a pop-up notification will be displayed to confirm. Next under School Settings is Accounting Links. Here, you can enable the accounts only if you have completed Office accounting configuration in the left side menu. The configuration is in a separate video. Next in the School Settings menu is WhatsApp Settings. Here you will fill in the required top settings and either enable or disable both front-end and back-end chat and save. To add an agent, go to the WhatsApp agent section on your right side and select Add Agent. In the pop-up, provide the required profile details, WhatsApp number, set available time frame, available days, add a profile photo, enable the active switch and hit Save. Lastly, in the school settings menu is the attendance type setting. Here you will select either day-wise or subject-wise attendance type and save. Once again, thank you for watching.